Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix lag in Instagram Reels. Now, it's a very simple process. If you have experienced or are experiencing some sort of lag while you're scrolling for Reels on Instagram, well, in this video, I'll give you guys a quick fix and hopefully this solves the issue. So first up, open up your Instagram. Once you're in here, click on the bottom right corner to go into your profile. Once you're in here, click on the three lines on the top right corner. It's called a hamburger menu. Click on that. Once you're in here, you can scroll down and see an option where it says data usage and media quality. Just click on that option and you'll see that by default the data saver mode is on. This makes sure that only a certain amount of data is used, even if you do have a lot of speed. So this can create a situation where your reels might feel laggy because it will not preload them into your system. Now, once you have unchecked this option, quickly close Instagram and long press on the application and go to the app info. Once you're in here, you can click on storage, and in storage, you can click on cache. Once you have clicked on cache, you can click on clear data and click on clear cache, and make sure you have done this for your Android device. The process might be a little different, but the end goal should be the same, which is to remove or eliminate all cache memory. Once all of this is done, you can reopen Instagram on whether or not your reels are working without lag. If all of this doesn't work, just go ahead and uninstall your application and reinstall it on the Play Store, and that might just do it for you. Yeah, that was pretty much it on how to fix lag in Instagram Reels. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.